Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm cleaning house. I'm changing out pinning mats. I'm gonna use this beauty right here. Lockpicks.com. Yeah. So we're gonna switch out pinning mats. Cleaning house. I love new pinning mats and I love this company, Door Lock Picks. No, it's called Lockpicks.com. Should be called Door Lock Picks. Hey, stay tuned. Like I say, guys, we're going to change out pinning mats. Now, I just received this beauty in the mail. Look at that. Lockpicks.com. Beautiful logo. I'm liking it. That's nice. The size is beautiful. And guess what? It's tapered on the edge so I don't hurt my wrists. That's nice. I'm liking the logo, and it's nice and clean. Nothing better than a clean pinning mat. Look at the quality there. It's slightly smaller than my other pinning mats. It's time for a change. Guess what the price is? Whoa, there it is. Look at $11.97. You can't beat that. Have to write a review. Do I want to do that? I could. That is a great product. Let's get rid of my other pinning mat. It's filthy and it's a little too bright for the room. Yeah, there it goes. And here's the new one. Oh, I'm liking it. You guys got to get pinning mats. If you don't have pinning mats in your lockpicking world, you are not going to be happy. This is one beauty. It has all the slots for everything. You put your cylinders right here. I'm liking it. I'm so happy to get this new pinning mat. I'm thinking it's completely gonna change my video point of view. It's dark and I've got this nice huge white logo here. Let's see. Yeah, it'll be cool. Change is good. Lockpicks.com. I highly recommend them. If you need any of this cool stuff, you can get it straight from them guys. I mean, you got to have some of this stuff. This is one beautiful follower. Look at that. Now this is for American locks and also, let's see, Paclocks. This is for all the padlock world, key padlock world. How about that? Now I'm shooting this in a different resolution. 2.8, I'm hoping it comes out crisp. So let's just take a look and see if it's crisp. I'm thinking it's pretty good. I don't know though. Close-ups tell everything. There's my favorite splooges in there. This is a great lock. You know what's really a great lock? These Cutaways. I'm telling you, Paclock. I love Paclock. You guys need a good lock picking adventure. Paclock's it. And look at how many pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a nice, watch. Ooh, I like that noise. And you can see while you're picking. So in the event that you are just starting out in the picking world and you have your beautiful carbon fiber picks and you need to see, let me just show you how this works. You need to see what you're doing. Let's see if I got that right. There we go. You can look at all your picking adventure. Look at that. and you can get through this and get the feel of how to pick a lock. I mean, we need to know how, right? You may have the best picks in the world. This is one of them. All carbon fiber. It's made by this company right here. Go online. It's called Lockpicks Pro, and you can get their Lockpicks. Hopefully, company right here will carry them soon. Give them a chance, guys. They're going to have everybody all in one spot. They almost have everybody. But there are some companies that I totally love. What is that? Oh, it's grease. I think it is grease, yeah. Yeah. I love these obscure companies that are just starting out. This has stainless steel like you wouldn't believe. I can pick right through a lock so much easier than, let's say, Jimmy Long's picks. I like Jimmy Long's stuff, but wow. Look at the finish on that. This gets right in, and I can feel my way right in there. Look at that. I mean, seriously, I can feel the difference in picks. How can that be? Could it be I've been using the wrong picks all along? I might have. And the nice feel of this pick, oh, it's beautiful. So we're cleaning house today. We're putting in this gorgeous new pinning mat. And let's just get over here, see how it looks. I'm thinking it's going to be nice. I like it. And I have my magnetic picking station. Look at this magnetic picking station. This is so cool, guys. And this is a company that I'm going to show real soon, right here. That is a, adventure in itself. Come on. You gotta love this stuff. Look at this. This is so cool. What do you think this is? And where do you get it? I don't know. Get it right from lockpicks.com. This is for those round locks. You cut keys. I'm going to have a nice show on that. So bear with me. I'm cleaning up the studio today, and I'll have more door and lock tips like these brand new mats and magnetic pinning. Oh, this is so cool. Magnetic pinning stations that you are going to, look at that you are going to want. And you get them all from lockpicks.com. That is cool. Please subscribe to my channel, tell your friends, and I'll have more door and lock tips like this coming your way in the future, guys. Thanks. Okay, now we're back to 4K resolution. I don't know, is it better? Do you think? It might be. Let's see. Oh yeah, I think it is. I can't wait to show you this stuff, especially this brand. This is high-end good stuff on lockpicks.com. I'm liking the 4K. I think it is better. And can you believe it? I got a light right here, magnetic light. Oh, this is good stuff. Yeah. All magnetic. Look how strong this is. I have more lights from this company. This company is super company. If you need a magnetic base, I'll put the link down in the description. It's from No EVS Big. You can get it right now in your hot little hands from Amazon. That is cool. So let's clean up this thing. How do I want to do this? I got an unboxing coming up soon. So I kind of need to have the entire table clean. When the lights go down, I've seen hell in you, but you don't care.
tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it all. You said you wanted to fall into oblivion. Forget about the world we're living in. Fall into oblivion, 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 oblivion. Oh, going fall into oblivion. Fall into oblivion. Forget about the world we're living in. Fall into oblivion, 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 oblivion. I'm going in. You can't fall asleep when you're counting stars. Get it together. Your mind can't sleep when you let it serve. Now you wanna see me fall. From a quarter mile, I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it all. You said you wanted to fall into oblivion. Forget about the world we're living in. Fall into oblivion, 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 oblivion. Oh, going in. Fall into oblivion. Fall into oblivion. Forget about the world we're living in. Fall into oblivion, 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 oblivion. I'm going in.
Welcome to the show, everyone. This is a great unboxing. I just bought this beautiful SainSmart power grinder. Hey guys, welcome to the show. We're gonna have a good one. It's an unboxing today. Yeah. So stay tuned. Door lock tips, unboxing a grinder. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome to the show. I hope so. I really do. All this editing better pay off. Now, I shot that other little video that I just posted and sent to you. I shot it so I could have it in the corner of this unboxing, because this unboxing really is so, I don't know, yesterday unboxing. So I thought I'm gonna post a video with all the good stuff next year. Subscribe to my channel, tell your friends. I'll have more door lock tips like this coming your way in the future. Yeah!